ERPAG Review 2025 Best ERP Tool for 2025. Running a business in 2025 requires efficient resource management, but most people get this wrong by using generic tools. ERPAG is a cloud-based ERP designed for small and medium businesses. Step 1. Inventory Management. You won't believe what happens next. It tracks stock, automates orders, and supports multiple warehouses. Step 2. Sales and Purchase Management. ERPAG allows you to create invoices, manage orders, and track supplier performance all in one place. Step 3. Reporting and Analytics. The platform provides dashboards for financials, sales trends, and operational efficiency. The surprising truth is that ERPAG is highly customizable yet easy to use, making it a strong choice for businesses transitioning from spreadsheets. Pricing is affordable compared to enterprise solutions. So, is ERPAG the best ERP tool for 2025? For SMEs looking for cloud-based, affordable, and feature-rich ERP software, it's definitely a contender.